Hey everyone! Today let's talk about a serious issue affecting small businesses here in West Houston. Office 365 scams. Cyber criminals are getting smarter, and they're targeting businesses just like yours with phishing emails, fake login pages, and account takeovers. But don't worry. Impress IT Solutions is here to help. They're a trusted managed IT provider in West Houston dedicated to keeping your business safe from these threats. So how do these scams work? They usually start with a phishing email that looks like it's from Microsoft or your IT team. It might say your mailbox is full or your account is about to be disabled, and it'll include a link to a fake login page. When you enter your details, bam! The attackers have your credentials. Once they have access, they can read your emails, steal files, and even send phishing attacks from your account to others in your network. It's like opening Pandora's box. And the damage is real: data breaches, loss of customer trust, wire fraud, you name it. Prevention is always cheaper and faster than cleanup. So how does Impress IT Solutions protect you? First, they use advanced email filtering to catch those phishing emails before they reach your inbox. They also monitor logins and use geo-blocking to spot suspicious activity. Multi-factor authentication is a must, and Impress helps set it up properly. Plus, they offer employee training to keep your team alert and prepared. And if things go wrong, they have secure backup and recovery plans in place. They also provide 24/7 threat response to act fast if your account is compromised. With Office 365 integrated into your operations, you need real-time protection and expert support. That's exactly what Impress IT Solutions delivers. So, if you're in West Houston, contact Impress IT Solutions today to schedule a free Office 365 risk review. Protect your email, your data, and your reputation. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.